We are getting the insulation blown in. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. Very exciting things happening today. We are getting the insulation blown in the attic and the crawl space is getting done. I wanted to show you a quick short video of how all that came together, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the crawl space as well once they're done laying down the plastic and getting everything insulated underneath the floor right there where that floor system is, and making sure that the house is nice and tight and everything is insulated so we're not losing a bunch of energy. I don't want to talk too much. This is going to be a shorter video. So let's get them working and let's get this thing going.
Alrighty, y'all, so we are under the house in the crawl space, and check this out. The entire thing is freaking done. So you can see up here, they've got that insulation that you saw when they were putting them inside the walls as well. So it covers this entire area where the floor system is. And then you can see we got the black plastic down as well, just to give it a nice cleaner space. So I have gravel underneath that, then the black plastic, and then it just makes for a better space underneath here. So really happy with how this turned out. It's really hard to get under here and film while they're working. You don't want to be in their way when they're they're down here working and it's a tight space and it's just uncomfortable. So I'm really happy that they were able to get everything insulated through the floor system, get the plastic down, and basically this entire house is insulated, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. But anyways, I think it's time to end out this video.
Alrighty, y'all, so I hope you enjoyed that quick video of insulation and how it gets blown in the attic and what the crawl space looks like. However, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on all social platforms, and head over to Instagram if you want a sneak peek of things. If you have yet, check out NikosPropertyShow.com. Grab you some merch, maybe a hat, a hoodie, a t-shirt, and make sure you use code Nico for 10% off your entire order. Without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.